Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you the correct way to put the paper into an HP Deskjet printer in 2026. Now, loading the paper the wrong way is one of the biggest reasons why the printers jam, don't pick up the sheets, or show the feed errors. So let's do it properly in just a few minutes. So first of all, you need to pull out the paper input tray at the bottom or back of the HP Deskjet. Now you need to slide the paper width guides outward to make the space. Take a clean stack of paper and tap it on a flat surface to tighten the edges. Now this keeps the sheets from sticking together. Now you need to place the paper into the tray with the print side facing up, and most of the HP DeskJet models you are going to see this type of placement. Now on top edge of the paper you should go first. Now you need to slide the guides back in so that they gently touch the sides of the paper. Don't squeeze the stack, just keep it snug. Just make sure that the paper is flat, it is not bent or curled, or not loaded above the tray limit line. So once it is aligned, you just have to push the tray back in and your printer is now ready to print. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.